Imagine a world without the gentle hum of bees, a world where the familiar buzz that signifies life and growth is eerily absent. No vibrant colors of wildflowers dancing in the breeze, painting the landscape with their beauty and diversity. No sweet scent of honey filling the air, a scent that has been cherished for centuries, symbolizing nature's bounty. This is the stark reality we face if we fail to protect these essential creatures. Bees are not just insects, they are vital to our survival. Bees, the unsung heroes of our ecosystems, are facing a crisis. Their diligent work ensures the growth of plants, which in turn supports entire food chains. Their decline is a silent threat, a warning signal we can no longer ignore. The absence of bees would lead to a cascade of negative effects on our environment. It's time we understand the gravity of this situation and take action. We must support beekeepers, fund research, and create bee-friendly habitats. The disappearance of bees is not just about losing honey, it's about losing a crucial part of our natural world. It's about the potential collapse of entire ecosystems. Without bees, many plants would fail to reproduce, leading to a loss of biodiversity. It's about the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the future of our planet. Our agricultural systems heavily rely on bees for pollination. The fate of bees is intertwined with our own. Our actions today will determine their survival and, consequently, our own well-being. Their survival is our survival. By protecting bees, we are safeguarding our future and the health of our planet. Bees are nature's tiny matchmakers, playing a crucial role in pollination. As they flit from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen, they inadvertently transfer pollen grains, enabling plants to reproduce. This simple act of pollination is the foundation of our food chain. Without bees, our plates would look drastically different. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and even coffee rely heavily on bee pollination. Beyond food, bees contribute to the health and diversity of our ecosystems. They support the growth of trees, flowers, and other plants that provide habitats for countless species. The evidence is undeniable. Bees, the tiny pollinators that play a crucial role in our ecosystem, are facing a crisis. Bee populations are declining at alarming rates, with entire colonies disappearing without a trace. Studies show significant drops in bee numbers across the globe, affecting not just honeybees but also wild bee species. Some species have vanished entirely from their natural habitats, leaving behind barren landscapes where they once thrived. The once familiar buzz of bees is fading, replaced by an unsettling silence that speaks volumes about the health of our environment. In some regions, beekeepers are reporting losses of up to 30% of their colonies each year, a trend that shows no signs of slowing down. This decline is a clear indicator of a much larger environmental problem, one that includes pollution, habitat loss, and climate change. It's a wake-up call that demands immediate attention and action from scientists, policymakers, and the public alike. We cannot afford to ignore the warning signs any longer. The future of our food supply and natural world depends on the survival of these essential pollinators. Section 4. Unraveling the threats causes behind the decline. The decline of bees is a complex issue with multiple contributing factors. Habitat loss due to urbanization and intensive agriculture is a major threat. As wild spaces disappear, so do the nesting sites and food sources that bees rely on. Pesticide use in agriculture is another significant factor. While designed to protect crops, many pesticides have unintended consequences, harming beneficial insects like bees. Climate change, with its unpredictable weather patterns and shifting seasons, also disrupts bee life cycles and food availability. Section 5. Every buzz counts. Actions for bee conservation. The good news is that we can all play a part in protecting bees. Planting bee-friendly gardens with a variety of flowering plants provides essential food sources for these pollinators. Avoiding pesticide use in our gardens and opting for organic alternatives can make a significant difference. Supporting local beekeepers by purchasing locally produced honey and beeswax products helps sustain healthy bee populations. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of bees and the threats they face is crucial for driving positive change. Section 6. Hope for the hive, success stories in bee conservation. Despite the challenges, there are glimmers of hope and resilience. Across the globe, communities, organizations, and individuals are working tirelessly to protect bees and restore their natural habitats. Creating urban bee havens by transforming rooftops and balconies into pollinator-friendly spaces is gaining momentum. Farmers are adopting bee-friendly agricultural practices, reducing pesticide use and planting wildflowers around crop fields. These success stories demonstrate that with collective effort and dedication, we can make a significant difference in the fight to save bees. Section 7. Our shared responsibility. Securing a future for bees. The future of bees, and indeed our own, depends on the choices we make today. Every small action we take can have a significant impact on their survival. From planting bee-friendly flowers to reducing pesticide use, our daily decisions shape the environment in which these essential pollinators live. Protecting these tiny creatures is not just an environmental issue, it's a shared responsibility. Bees are crucial for pollinating many of the crops that feed us, and their decline could lead to a ripple effect on our food supply and ecosystems. By understanding the vital role bees play in our world and taking action to protect them, we can ensure a future where the gentle hum of bees continues to enrich our planet. Education and community involvement are key. Workshops, community gardens, and conservation programs can all contribute to a healthier environment for bees. Let us all do our part to create a world where bees can thrive, a world buzzing with life and color, a world we can all be proud to leave behind for generations to come. Simple steps like supporting local beekeepers, planting native flowers, and advocating for bee-friendly policies can make a big difference. The time to act is now. Together, we can secure a future for bees, and in turn, secure a future for ourselves. Let's make a commitment today to protect these vital pollinators and ensure a thriving, vibrant world for future generations.